Welcome to Indie Radio Newsreel. I am Prajakta and you are listening to the news updates for 12th August 2024. Here are the international news updates for today. US sent submarine to Middle East as tensions grow. The US has sent a guided missile submarine to the Middle East as tensions grow in the region. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin also said an aircraft carrier, which was already heading to the area, would sail there more quickly. The move comes in response to fears of a wider regional conflict after the recent assassination of senior Hezbollah and Hamas leaders, allegedly by Israel. Tanzania opposition figure Tundu Lissu arrested in crackdown. Tanzanian police have arrested prominent politician Tundu Lissu and two other opposition Chadema officials, the party has said. It says the three were detained on Sunday on the eve of their planned rally to mark the World Youth Day. The reported arrests come a year after President Samia Hassan lifted a ban on opposition gatherings and promised to restore competitive politics. On Sunday, the police banned the Chadema rally, saying it was intended to cause violence. Ukraine seizes 28 villages in Russia's Kursk. Alexei Smirnov, the governor of Russia's Kursk region, has told President Vladimir Putin that 6 days of a Ukrainian ground attack on his region has resulted in the loss of 28 settlements, 12 civilian deaths, and the displacement of 121,000 people. Putin has promised a worthy response to the Ukrainian offensive, which he says is aimed at destabilizing Russia. A new evacuation order has been issued in the neighboring Belgorod region. Ukrainian forces have advanced up to 30 kilometers inside Russia, the deepest incursion since the war began. Now to the national news stories. Retail inflation dipped under 4% after nearly 5 years. After remaining above the 4% mark for nearly 5 years, retail inflation slipped below this level to a 59-month low of 3.54% in July, mainly due to a high base effect. Data released by the National Statistical Office or NSO showed today. The last time retail inflation rate was below the 4% mark was 57 months ago in September 2019. Food inflation rate also slipped to a 13-month low of 5.42% in July from 9.36% in June. Rain causes havoc, floods in Rajasthan, Himachal, Bengaluru. People were killed, roads were blocked, and normal life was brought to a halt in different parts due to heavy rains. Heavy rainfall has created a flood-like situation in Karoli and Hindon region of Rajasthan, where 22 people died during the past 2 days in rain-related incidents, while overflowing dams and rivers continued to paralyze daily life. In Bengaluru, peak hour traffic jams and inundated roads in several areas, especially in the northern and eastern parts, particularly inconvenienced office-goers and school children. In Himachal Pradesh, a total of 197 roads, including 2 national highways, were closed following landslides and flash floods triggered by heavy rain during the past week. At least 110 people have been killed in rain-related incidents, and the state suffered losses of about 1,004 crore between June 27th and August 12th. 5 devotees killed as speeding truck hits them outside Assam temple. At least 5 devotees were killed and 1 critically injured after a speeding truck hit them outside a temple in Assam's Kokrajhar district today. The truck had a registration number of Rajasthan. According to police, during the holy month of Shravan, devotees taking part in the Bol Bom Yatra were hit by a speeding truck near the Mahamaya temple in the district. The driver of the truck was apprehended and was being questioned. Thank you for listening to Indie Radio Newsreel. For more news, audiobooks and podcasts, stay tuned to Indie Radio or log on to www.indiejournal.in. Also consider subscribing to listen to our premium shows.